Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to take full control of your assets by moving them from Robinhood to a personal wallet. This is a smart move because it gives you more autonomy, reduces risks from platform hacks, and lets you earn rewards on decentralized networks. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can do this safely and easily. First things first, make sure you have a crypto wallet set up. Options like MetaMask or a hardware wallet like Ledger are great for beginners in 2025. They're secure and user-friendly. Once you're ready, log into your Robinhood account on your app or website. Navigate to your crypto portfolio. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. Robinhood has made this pretty straightforward with their updated 2025 interface. Now, here's where you need to be extra careful. Enter the wallet address you're sending to. Double-check this address multiple times because crypto transactions are irreversible. If you're using a new wallet, make sure it's properly synced and verified. Next, you'll see a confirmation screen showing the amount, fees, and estimated time. In 2025, fees might be lower due to network improvements, but always review them. Hit confirm, and your crypto will start the transfer process. Depending on the blockchain, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. While you wait, keep an eye on your wallet to ensure the funds arrive. One quick tip: enable two-factor authentication on both Robinhood and your wallet for added security. And remember, if you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using a hardware wallet to keep your keys offline. That's it, you've successfully moved your crypto. This step puts you in the driver's seat of your digital assets. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.